your electricity bill isn't going down. Rates are up over 30% in the last 3 years. And if the grid goes down, most homes have no backup at all. What if you could build your own power source this weekend for under $110 using parts from Home Depot? That's exactly what the Energy Revolution system shows you how to do. It's a digital step-by-step guide for building a compact DIY power generating device at home. No solar panels, no fuel, no electrician required. I researched this program thoroughly. Here's what I found. The guide is built around early electrical engineering concepts, and it walks you through every step to build it yourself. According to the program, parts cost between $73 and $110, all available at any Home Depot. Build time is around 4 hours. No special skills needed, just basic DIY experience. Once built, the device is designed to reduce your dependence on the grid and lower your monthly electricity bill. This makes the most sense if you're already spending $150 or more a month on electricity, or if you want a supplemental power source that works when the grid doesn't. It's not a plug-and-play system that replaces your electrical panel. It's a DIY project. It takes time, basic tools, and focus. But for preppers, homeowners, and anyone serious about energy independence, the entry cost is low enough to be worth trying. The link is in the description right now. Go check what's included, the price, the full guide, everything. Then come back and finish watching. Link is below. I'll wait. Now, the question everyone asks. What if it doesn't work for me? The program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee through ClickBank. That's not a small print promise. ClickBank is one of the largest digital marketplaces in the world, and they enforce that guarantee. Worst case, you spend a weekend learning about DIY energy systems and get your money back. Best case, you cut your bill and have a working backup the next time your neighborhood loses power. According to the program, over 102,000 families have already used it. The guarantee exists because the producer stands behind the result. If energy costs or grid reliability are on your radar, and for most American homeowners right now they should be, this is worth 10 minutes of your time to read through. Link is in the description. Check it out, use the guarantee if you need to, and make your own call. If this was useful, subscribe. I cover practical energy solutions for American homeowners every week. See you in the next one.